we are starting with Selenium, and we'll discuss what is Selenium, what are its advantages, and we'll write a simple code uh, with Firefox driver and Chrome driver, and some important things that are there. We'll learn about object class also, and Gecko driver in Firefox. So, and we'll talk about WebDriver interface. So this is the Selenium website. So so Selenium is, what is Selenium? Selenium is basically a free automation tool which is available in the form of APIs. So it supports multiple languages like Java, C hash, C sharp, C plus plus, Ruby, Python. Okay, these are the languages that are supported. So yeah, so it supports multiple browsers like Safari, Chrome, Firefox. So there are 4 components to it, 3 components basically. Selenium IDE, which was record and play initially, and then there was Selenium RC, which is deprecated, and then Selenium WebDriver that we are currently using. This is Selenium Grid to run on the grid if you want to run the tests on grid. Okay, so yeah, so let's talk about, okay, so for Java C, this one, okay, stable, this is a stable Java version. If we test here, we can see that Selenium Java is there. If you unzip this, open this archive utility. So if you unzip this, we can see a lot of jar files. So this has all the features of Java, features of Selenium. See, there are a lot of jar files here. So what we have done here is we had already installed the Maven dependency, okay, and it has all the jars. See over here, if we want to add additional jars like here, like in the Maven dependency pom.xml, we had already added this org Selenium, okay. So if we require anything else, what we can do is go to properties, go here, Java build path, okay. Here in the libraries we can add, okay, we can add external jars, and in this we can go to that particular jar file and add all these jars from here, and also add these jars. Okay, this is Selenium 4.10, so it will have all this support. So any new tool that comes, we can add these files. So I will show once how this looks like. So if we go here and add this, try to add this jar, open, see it got added here, and then you can add external jars here as well. These also can be added. Okay, open. These all will be here. Now I'm not adding it right now. If I require, I will add them. Okay, and this has all the Java jars. So any new tool that comes, it can be these jar files can be added, and those tools can be used. So QTP is another paid tool that is used. But it is a paid tool. So this is an open source free tool. So you do not require to pay anything. So if we come across any new tool, they will give us the external jars and we can access. So also there's this question about object class. What is object? Object is a superclass, okay, for all the classes, and we write like java.lang dot object, right? So java.lang is a package, it's internal Java package which is inside the JDK when we download. Okay, so let's talk about some WebDriver basics. So when we if I try to run this, okay, let me quit this browser first. Here we're seeing that the WebDriver, the path to the driver executable must be set by WebDriver driver. So this needs to be set internally. This is a mechanism that has to be there. So system is a class, set property is a method. It's a yeah, it's a method. So we have to pass in this key which is entered over here, and then we have to give the path of the driver. So for Firefox we use the gecko driver. So what I've done is I've gone to this Firefox, normal Firefox driver, and I went here. Okay, so I can download whatever the see here. I can find some drivers. So accordingly I can download that particular, and then it's put that in that particular folder. So here I put that in the documents folder, gecko driver, and give that path. Okay, so if you're using Windows it would be again that, but then it would be like C, something like this, ABC folder, and then you have to put this backslash, okay, and then whatever, and then backslash, and then at the last you have to put chrome driver .exe. Okay, do the path is. So that we can do in case of okay. So here WebDriver is an interface. So we have created a new class, okay, new Firefox driver. It's an internal class. That's a new case, and then we are equating it to WebDriver driver. So it is implementing WebDriver interface. Okay, we cannot create object of interface. So what is happening is all the methods are defined in the WebDriver are being defined, and the business logic is written in the new Firefox drivers. Driver.get, we should know about these methods to access them. They are internal methods. We don't need to create any new methods. Okay. Firefox is new Firefox driver is implementing the WebDriver interface. So this is the reference variable, and we're printing driver.get title. Okay. So driver.get title. This is a method. Okay, as you can see, this is a method, I guess. Yeah. Returns title of page. So when we try to run this, it will open, first of all this statement will open the Firefox, and this would take us to google.com. This would print it, and then if getter.title equals Google, this would print correct title. Okay, and then current, and then yeah, or else it will print incorrect statement. This is too much, if you want to get into the page source, we don't require page source right now, so let's not get into that because the data would be too much. So yeah, so this is doing that correct title should be printed, and then get driver.create current tree URL, it would return us the URL. So yeah, let's see whether it prints or not. So yeah, we got the title which is correct. This is the title, and current URL, yes, we got the URL as well. Okay, so driver.quit would quit the browser basically. So like this we are doing, so this would quit the browser. Okay, so that's it for this basically, and these are all imported from these. Okay, you can see. So yeah, we can do some validation, so like this. In manual testing also we would do certain validations, right? Like comparing whether the title is right or not. If it is right, then it should print something, and then system.out.driver.get current URL. If you want to equate the URL with the expected URL, you can do that. So manual testing, this is automation way of doing it. So this becomes easy for us. So here we are putting it for Firefox. If it is a Chrome driver, then we would go and put this one. Okay, and also this would be driver.chrome.driver in case of Chrome driver. this logic would be same, then it would create open Chrome browser instead of this one. That's it for this video.